Here we go again. Guys. Guess what I just saw? I saw the Easter Bunny out there.
Darn it, Daddy.
What?
Darn it.
Here, grab some baskets.
No.
Here, that's why we got the baskets.
Mickey Mouse.
Who's is that? Oh,
Mickey Mouse.
who's the Angry Birds?
Mickey Mouse.
Who's the Angry Birds? Come on. I saw the Easter Bunny out there. Come on. To the right. He was to the right.
Right here?
Yes, he was there. No, to the right. Your other right. That way. He was right in the computer room. I just walked by the computer room. What did he leave? What's that?
Oh, I can see his legs behind me. Easter egg.
You see eggs?
Oh, I found one.
Ah,
Hey, I found this one.
get them before everyone else gets them.
Okay. Here you go. Daddy.
You see any more?
I know.
Need help?
Easter eggs. I can't reach them.
I'll give you a hand if you can't reach them.
I can't reach them. There you go. I got a match. I can't reach it. Oh, I got an H. I got a B.
Keep looking. What else is there?
What is behind? R. S. O. Hey, I found that one first, Daddy.
There you go.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
Where is the other
Keep looking. Keep looking.
one? Here.
See if there's any more. Cameron. Hey, right here.
Cameron.
It's very nice of you.
Cameron. There's some Easter eggs over here. Huh? Over here. Oh, found an Easter egg. Daddy, I can't reach that
I'll
one.
help you.
Oh, look. Arnie. It's purple. Huh.
What else? Keep looking.
Go to the first two in that count, please.
Keep looking.
You don't like to go to the first two in that count.
Did everybody saw the that one? Two. Hey, Cameron.
Keep looking.
Cameron, what has an Easter bunny on it?
Did we get them all?
No. Found one.
Cameron. Cameron, come here. Well, that was nice of you, CJ. Cameron, look in there. Keep looking.
Yeah, I want it. Yeah.
Any luck?
I think that's all.
That's all of them?
Yep.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. Good job. You guys cleaned house.
Good idea.
Let me see. What you got? Wow. How many did you get?
That much.